Hey, drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be trolling, and we have a special guest, Gamer Kid. So yeah, let's get into the lobby. Get your stuff.
What? Can I say
Get your
something to them?
Huh?
Can I say something to them?
Yeah.
By the way, we tried to film a video together in GT,
And it wouldn't upload,
but yeah, it
unfortunately.
wouldn't upload.
So yeah.
We'll try
If you
and
guys
make a
don't know
GT
what
video
GT,
together, but
if you guys don't know what the abbreviation GT
we'll
is,
try and
it's
make a GT
Gorilla
video
Tag.
together, but
It's Gorilla
maybe.
Tag.
I think they know what GT means.
Yeah, but some people might not.
Oh my
It might be Gramps.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Where do you find the hard gun again? Is it in weapons?
Yeah, it's in weapons. It's by the revolver.
There it is. Should I get a golden revolver? Should I get a
Oh,
golden
can I have a
revolver?
golden revolver?
Sure.
Yeah, he has one unlocked. I'll take two.
No, I have the other one.
Okay. I'm gonna take a revolver and a golden revolver. I'm just gonna be using the golden revolver. Grab my revolver.
Wait, I
Okay,
forgot to
dude,
start
just join
recording.
me.
I forgot to start recording. Whatever, I don't even care.
Okay, let's just join me.
I'll just record now.
Just
Okay.
join me. If you can't join me, tell me, because I'm in a call with him right now. Oh, there's not. I'm in. There's exactly 20 people.
Is this gonna be? Yo, can I dom? Can I
Don't join
dom?
me.
I need dom, please. Please, can I?
Please be people in code 6. There's 2 people in here. There's 1 person.
Hey, what you?
Join me. We should have enough people. We have enough people in here. I'm joining. The code's 1-2.
Superpowers.
Code's 1-2.
Stay silent if you wanna have superpowers. Bet. Okay. Bet.
Yeah. You in? He's joining. Okay, that didn't work.
Can you help me?
Are you in yet? Yo, you're in here. He's here.
Oh shoot! I have it behind my.
Let's
Spawn.
Yo, come
I
find
need
me.
to make sure I don't click the button. Friendly swordfish. No!
I just killed somebody. I just took his item.
It's super powerful and might be dangerous. Like whatever you do not click those buttons. Trust me. You don't not want to know. Please, use that button.
I'll give it to you at spawn.
Okay, just drop it then. I have force grab. Just do not press the buttons while you have it, please, because it does something really dangerous.
Okay, come over here.
for some fish? Okay. Just please get that back. Hey, no,
Okay,
give that back to me.
Come on, come here.
giveaway? Extension cords. Who wants a
You want it so badly, go get it.
You want to know something? I could teleport back.
Yeah, but you can lose it.
Come get her, sister.
Do you want that?
As soon as he...
You know the cell machine is. You know the cell machine is a safe zone, right, Dum Dum?
Yeah, but as soon as he comes out.
Yeah. Who could hear me right now?
Get that hat.
I can.
Oh, I thought that was someone else.
The animal control camera is so bad.
No, it's not. It's better than Gorilla Tag.
Why is that super?
Who?
Gorilla Tag.
Gorilla tag, but I can't fucking color
You're not even a
Oh, every time somebody likes, oh, this color changes. Oh, somebody just liked the color's
you okay?
blue. Like, bro, stop the goofy freaking
Okay, new
videos.
code.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if people are in here. Join code 3. Literally just 3. There's the mom boss hands. They just tried to recreate the mom boss hands.
Yeah, I did that. I built it.
This is
I
so
made
funny.
Dude, I made that.
3.
Bro.
I just killed him. I just killed him. I just killed him.
Yo! No, I can't find
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Hey, yo! Need a revolver. Unfortunately, I joined right after the golden revolver thing. Am I still Red Watch? Yo, dude, kill me. Yo, dude, kill me. Yo,
Oh yeah.
kill me, and then revive me. Okay? Revive me.
I don't want to collect that. Someone have that, Loki.
I keep. Okay, I'm back.
I want this.
Sell it. I have 4 more in my stash. I have literally everything. Oh, let me go.
Not bad.
I did it. I built my own one. Guys, I built my
I
oh.
want to see if this could work.
That's not good. Oh, that's not good at all.
Miss me, boy. Miss me, boy. City, boy.
Oh crap! No! Someone just killed
Oh,
me.
we killed him.
Come
we
revive
killed
me,
him.
dude.
We
Dude,
killed
come
him.
revive me. Dude,
Grab
come
his
revive
stuff.
me. Dude, come
No,
revive
grab
me.
his stuff. He killed me before.
Dude, revive me. Dude. Kill him. Kill
grab
them.
his stuff, bro.
Kill them, dude.
Wait, no, he built these. I think.
Go in safe zone. No! If he takes our stuff, I don't care. Go get your stuff.
Please don't kill me. I've been making this my whole entire thing. Like, actually, please don't. It'd be the life of me if no one killed me. No.
It's a red watch.
Okay, get back.
Please don't
Oh
kill
wait,
me.
are you gonna use that to?
Please. Don't kill me, please. I'll do anything.
That's your fault. You killed me. That's your fault.
No, don't. No. No, please. No. Thank you. Thank you. You're the life of my dream. I won't kill you no more. Oh, thank you.
And you're the worst of
kill
my
you.
dreams.
You're my favorite. Oh, no.
New code.
Okay. Wait, I forgot to take out my...
I know a better idea.
I keep forgetting to take out my camera. Hey, you. I don't have nothing else. Hey, you.
Okay, let me reload real quick.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here.
Yeah,
Don't
let me
go
reload.
to code 2. There is an admin leaking security numbers in there. Don't go
My
in
bad.
What's the code? 2. There
I'm
is
so
an
sorry.
admin leaking security.
2. After we should join code mod.
So that means you're not the only one that has emoji. It's going
He's not a red watch. He was a red watch. Oh, I got his gun. Yo, I got his police gun. That's what I call as a success.
That's not even rare.
Can you let me scan it?
Yeah.
Please. Oh, that's only 23,000. Oh, I'm totally using this instead of my normal revolver. And it's more in style.
Please, spawn fish. Spawn. Wait, can I scan it? Can I scan it? Can I scan it?
Fishes as
I wish I was a mommy
at the shop. At the shop lobby.
Wait, can I scan it? Can I scan it? Can I scan it?
Yo, what is that? Wait, what is that? What the fuck, Peter?
You want one here?
Red watch! Swear to Red watch! Red watch! Red watch!
How far do I saw that?
I just killed somebody. Oh crap! Oh crap! No! Revive me, dude! Revive me, dude! Revive me, dude! Dude, revive me! Dude, come revive me! Did you leave? Did you leave? Dude, do you see me? Dude, come revive me! Dude, come revive
I
me!
like turtles.
They're enjoying one of my videos.
Come revive me,
Who wants to
dude!
listen to some tunes?
There's 17 people.
Come down here, bro. Come down. Who wants to listen to some tunes?
He just
No,
took me!
Lo que estaba buscando todo el rato. A ver, ya voy.
Shut up! No, he just killed me.
You mu-
Look what I got, dude.
Okay, this is what
Join code back, join code back, join code back.
Okay,
¿Alguien habla español?
I'm the seal.
Dude, I need to give you something. It's really OP. I need to give you something that's really overpowered. I want you fighting for me. This is so overpowered. It has only 2 shots, people, and it has 2 revolvers in it.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
On you?
Just revive me.
I will. Does it have ammo in it?
See? 2 ammos. 3 shots, everyone. I think 2 more lobbies.
Can we just do the last code as mod?
Yeah, we'll do last code as mod, but it's not time yet.
Should we do like... What should we do next?
I
Don't
feel
kill
like
me, by the
there'll
way.
be people in like 6, 7. There's always gonna be people in code 6, 7. I'm not gonna be surprised if there's not. Okay, you can join. Oh my god, it's so glitchy, dude. This code. I need to leave.
Yeah, bro. How much money have we made?
You're glad that you're not in here.
We're rich.
Domination.
Jesus, there were so many people in there. Join code 9. Please be people in here. Oh, it's only us. 3, 4. No. Oh, there's 3 people and 3, 4. They're all at creative studio. Y'all, where are y'all? Yeah, they're here. They're here. They're here.
Do you heard that? Hold up. I thought we was in a burner. Run.
I killed.
Oh, you got to run. Please no! I need my backpack! No! Oh shoot! Run! Oh shoot! Run!
Joe, dude, join code 3.
Run!
I just stole somebody's grappler.
Hey bro, we have to go in here. Let me just grab my backpack. Go in there.
Join code 3. Join code 3.
Huh? What did you say?
Nothing.
Come on, let's go in
Join
here
code 3.
so we can be safe.
You really think you guys are safe?
Wolf, you can't.
Already got your backpack. Are you in?
If you dare, run. If you dare, run. If you dare, run. If you dare. I'm here. Hey, good. Come up the tree. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up.
Bye.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Friend, we gotta go somewhere safe. Can you get out of our code?
It's not your code.
Get out of. Bro, let's go to another code. Let's not say it out loud. Come on. Let's join a different code. We're not telling you. Come on. Alright. Now I'm gonna go
Join code 56. I know exactly what they're in.
I'm here. Oh
Hi.
my god! Who are you guys?
Hi.
Go, leave here. What are
Hi.
you guys?
Hi.
Why is there people here? We friend you, so we didn't friend you, but what the heck what do you do? Who keeps
code
coming
56.
in here? I friend you all guys. That is not me. That's my I friend you all guys. Like a mama.
Hi.
Okay, dude. You want? Hey, let's go to a different lobby. Join me. Bro, why are you here?
I'm not stupid.
Bro, we just joined a random lobby. Okay.
I'll join you on
I
the
friended
thing.
you. Oh yeah, I friended you.
Yeah,
okay,
me too. I
guys, walk
accepted it.
him. Alright. You to get.
Dang it. Yeah. I already lost them, but I stole their, Okay, last code is mod for today's video. Okay, you missed, like, 2 little kids. Getting raged. It is? Didn't join code mods. with an S. I'm in.
Somebody's controlling, but it's getting really
Oh, there's
late.
really nothing, no one in here.
I'm here.
Yeah, there's really no one in. There is people in here.
What's a free speaker backpack?
There's nothing crazy in here.
Dude, I'll revive you.
Join code.
Dude, how did you kill him?
Join code S. You're in code what? I just joined code S though. Oh, what code are you in? I'm in. Where are you? Where are you?
No, you don't say about
Where are you?
I was trying to get the
Yo, you're right there.
special snowboard. Bro, do not eat that ever again, bro. Be careful of the Huckleberry.
What is this?
Don't on me. This thing isn't even loaded. It has no ammo.
Oh, let's kill him.
Hey, dude.
Killed him.
I'm so funny, eh?
Yo, who dares me to eat my own poop?
Can I have that one? I have that one.
I'm going to follow this dude. I'm
Yo, who
coming to
dares me to
snowman.
eat my own crap? Me.
What's in your backpack?
You want a jetpack?
No!
Revive me, Kitsune! Revive me, bro!
Where are you? Where are you? Where's your body?
Let's go. Right here! You see my body! It's over here! It's over here! Hurry, hurry, hurry!
No!
No! No, no! Get back from me! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Hurry! I'll kill them! I'll kill them! Revive me! You see me? You see me? Grab me! Grab me! Grab me! Grab me!
I got you.
Hurry! Come on! Come on! Come on!
No! Someone just killed me in snow map.
Bro, I just got.
I'm coming back. I always go back. Come on to snow map. I'm gonna kill a few people because they're just being meanies.
You boy, little kid.
What's up?
It is. Hey, what you guys doing? Are you trying to kill people? Drop the item.
Cause I wanna go live sometime.
No.
Alright, I'll subscribe to you.
Can somebody please give me RPG ammo?
Did I just die? Okay, no, I didn't. I'm so laggy. Yeah, I know, because I exploded everyone because they're being meanies. No, this is a trolling, but I feel like I just... Where?
Turtle, it's so laggy.
I got the weirdest looking thing ever.
Jump super. Is there a giveaway in here?
Who?
Is there a modder in here, I guess?
I'm fighting somebody right now. No!
Guys, where's the beehive at? They but I don't see it.
Yo, it's back at the tree. It's at the back. It's above forest.
No! Oh! crap! I scared. Sorry. Do you want me to revive you? Are you gonna kill me? I got scared. That's your fault.
Yo, bro, can you buy landmines? Like, bro, how do you get landmines?
I'll stop. I promise. I'll stop. I'll buy you stuff.
Bro, can shoot it. I didn't mean to shoot it.
Why'd you jump in the air then?
I flew in the air because I respawned. That's what happens. Oh, can I have a mine?
I'm not gonna kill you. Guys, this is the new member of the killing. Hide. New member. No! Don't
No, I'm
kill
not
me.
gonna kill anyone. I'm not gonna kill anyone. No, when I jumped up, I launched it on accident because I was reviving. So it had me like on bro, get up!
Don't shoot it.
Get him on. Don't do it.
What's your problem? I wasn't even gonna do it. What's his problem?
Never mind.
Are you sure about that?
Yo, dude, come to stand up.
No,
Yo, can someone buy? Hey, you, buy me a stick. Buy me a stick, bro. Buy me a stick now. If someone don't buy me a stick.
Yeah. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.